Jacob did saying hi. Oh yeah, the page. Jacob them say hi though. Say hello. Jacob man not doing nothing. Gosh. Spit my dog. Man get bigger for. No, I say big like a tail. One cage. If that guy can answer, nobody not there, brother. I don't know what team. Jaja. I'm put back a boy Jericho in a cage. But look for him, Jaja. Why yeah, big. I'm put him in a cage. Let's put him in there. But what up life? Good night, my gang. What's poppin'? Boy, I'm a day team. My day I go on my road. That's what I say. Time today, boy team. When I say tired, I'm tired like one pum pum liar. You see, good night, Nadim. For real, I'm tired like one pum pum liar, brother. You see what I say? Cause I go up some breed a step today. Chat. We go up some breed a step today. I got a loan could I tell you how me reach up there, bro. You see me see look on the last set of stairs when I come. Me I say bum heart. Dehydration lick me about half a step, you know. I mean I say Jesus Christ. A whole heap of girl up on the life, you know. A whole heap of woman up on the life. Me can't show 1 week jelly backside of me, you know. I go saw me tip 2 times and I say, alright, then me reach. So man I say, alright, I say road when you go up there a little step here. Yes, when me turn the corner and me look up, me look down, and look where road there. And she say, yo, I want step with stay so. About 30 steps up and if you reach up there, you know. I saw me look on the man good. I look on back here road and I say, bumble clot. I stay and say, just time, I see your phone. And when I look on the phone, about 5,000 people over here. I say, no, so I can't feel. My foot have a giveaway. Team, I said, I go stand up, press the step, so I reach halfway step. When I'm foot them, I saw me see start shake. I said, don't look like that giveaway, you know. My little second way I carry up a dog with me. My little second way I carry up a dog with me. Me just make my little second stay so boom and shoot over a little like weight pan him. Me and my little second day pan. Wackle. I say you're trying to drop your money, you know. You mean? I say, bro, if see we are roll good down a hill, I say, with a salt like a hell, I say, bro, when I tell them I need a dog there beside of me, I want to say to him, say, bro, come take me spot. Pussy clot. I saw me know say me a warrior, bro. And if want me we dep on the road, if we are ladies them dep on the road, and one boy ramp with we, I will go stand and mash them up and 1 or 2 and we get wounded. I can throw me and over my shoulder, hold on, carry on go to safety and clear the road and know say yo, we're good. I like my ladies, Queen Barbara, big up. You see? So that's how we know we're solid team. Everybody who just joined the live app, me I beg on some power tap there on the screen. If you can share up your life, if you can repost your life, me I appreciate of it, you see? Team, you have to be good. Thank you, you know. I have to be good, my claim. Thank you. Love you. Manala, we come out. I will show my full support to Ezekiel today. Here's what I say. And the support to my people them come out with the numbers and everything. I really appreciate it. Here's what I say. I love how I forward out and show the love. I love how my platform them rep for me right through and help push my content same way. I just love the fact how everybody who I call my people them kind of participating in this. Big up on yourself. Here's what I say. Again, we have a whole heap of things coming, bro. Here's what I say, because when I don't know, after that we have to keep a back me and Rose, I go keep a back to school treat. In August, when the summer done same way. Here's what I say. So it's a whole heap of thing, a whole heap of blessing we receive and a whole heap of blessing we are going to give back to the people and to the community, despite the people I say, bro. Here's what I say, because I always tell people in a dog, we always have to strive for excellence and persevere. Every time them feel like so them can throw a rock on we always have persevere. That's what I say, because most of the people them look on the negative side of things for push forward in a life. That's what I say, there's nothing positive about them life, there's nothing positive about them. You can't reflect off of nothing what them do. So sometimes I just feel like them even serve a purpose, bro. Believe me.
You miss it.
Ezekiel.
What go on?
There, bro. Big up to God and reach home safe.
Brother, I tell you, man, bro. Boy, life is just a blessing, brother. You see me?
That is it, man, bro, man. You see
Boy,
me? I love how you smile today, bro. You see him? You see him happy and glad.
Brother, I mean, them the most happy, brother. Can't get such a blessing and happy, brother.
That is it, man, bro.
When my daughter come in, she say, but daddy, what you say? Just a few look or something. Yeah, man, brother, man. I whole heap of love and respect my youth.
You know, man, bro, man.
God bless all your mother bring you come, brother. Believe.
That is it, man. Always, man, bro, man. And
yeah, brother, man. I want to show
so we always show our love, man, bro, man. You see, when I look back, nothing in return, bro, because I tell all of my people, me don't want them send me nothing, bro. Them go over there. If them a support you, bro, if there's a way them can send you something through union, make your daughter pick it up or anything, them do it. As well, I say, you not link me. So some people will want Ezekiel information. I want to know more about what go on. I want text him. You can write your song, go over there. Yes, what I say. You not have to send me nothing to him. You see, it's the dog, yeah. So add the dog on your life, and him responsive enough can text so no him have. Me never question him payment letter them, but when you inbox him, he might go give you the necessities them and the better way how you can go about. If you don't want give him a support, same way. As we say, him share him story today. There's no way of me can say yo, Ray. That's what I say. Him share him story. So you not take it from me, take it from him. What you doing, dog?
Yeah.
Believe me, you bring a whole heap of tears to people, bro. Yes, when I say, yes, when I come off my life, I have people inbox me where I tell me, say, bro, crying on youth. Bro, when you're talking, bro, me have a whole heap of people that say, yo, you, water them, yeah, in charge.
Yeah.
Believe me, so you don't even know what your story do to some people, to them, my youth. Yes, when I say, and then this kind of boots you get more help, more people. See, as I said, dog, me is a mighty, my dog. That's what I say. So, me help you can project your voice. Don't pre me as a person say, oh, this is no, cause me know how you pre. Like you say, your respect. No, God or something, God send me if he can help you, bro. So I could have give you advice,
What you
man.
say, man? Only God can do that, brother.
Yeah, bro, God send me for help you, so I could have give you.
Only God can do that, brother. And I tell you, bro.
So I could have give you advice, and I know, and people out there, bro. Cause you have a whole heap of good hard people out there, no dog. Now, cause you come right here, so bro, you see just Jamaicans, bro. We have a whole heap of black heart Jamaican, bro. And them not do nothing without a hustle, dog. You see what I say, Chargy?
True.
Yeah, bro.
Brother,
So,
me face enough.
yeah, bro. And them feel like, say, yo, when them a do something for them, for deal with your thing or anywhere, you people, I don't want, send me anything for Ezekiel. Just see him platform there. Him strong, him knowledgeable, him not mad, him just physically impaired in him legs. Yes, what I say? That are the only thing we're doing.
Yes,
So,
true. Yeah, I need one. Me need at least two of them.
So, you can just go ahead, charge it. Give him a support if you don't want. If you don't want, send him two gift. You can go send him two gift. If you don't want, PayPal him something. If you don't want, cash up him something. Him over there. You can go just give him a strength. Ezekiel, you see? I don't know how the journey will. When me hear you say you want a kitchen, bro. You see what I say? I could just take your time and see what I go on. If we can get some help and donation fee, and I mean, while me will tell my people, I'm not now though, bro, because me have so much going on right now. You see what I say? But me willing to help you, bro.
One time, man.
Yeah, bro, me willing to help you. Me not have a problem, bro. You see what I say? Because you deserve the help, brother. Not joke. You see what I say? Holy palo. I go play a one match with you, say if my people want to come support you, them can come give you support here. So me I play a one match with the same way, dog. I support go along.
Alright, my brother, man.
Power tap like Power tap like Team, when you can go give G a support, and not have to send me nothing. If you don't want to give me support, when you go give G a support, man, my team. When you not have to send me no gift, none at all. So if you can go support him like, me I beg you, please, you just go give G one God support over here. Please and thanks, my ladies.
Yeah, man, thank you so much, man, people, man. Holy respect.
Him have a triple over there, and use up a triple for him.
Thank you so much, guys. Use up a triple.
Him have a triple over there, and use a triple for him.
Come, people, use up a triple for me, please. Come on, use up a triple.
Hey, make it look good. Use the triple for him. Make it look good to him.
Thank you so much, money gun. Thank you so much. Holy
Power tap like Power tap like.
Thank you so much, guys.
Team, wait for the next speed and go give
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the money gun. Black, and thank you so much. Respect, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you guys. Guys, God bless you, man. You know, God bless you. Holy blessing and respect, man. Thank you so much for the money going. Thank you.
Team, alright, we have a next triple here, chat.
Thank you so much.
Give me some taps there, please. Got taps me a bit.
Yeah, man, brother, I tell you, man, yo, me feel happy today, brother.
That is,
you know,
dog.
Brother, I know something more plan.
5 rows, give him 5 rows, team. Give him 5 rows.
That's it, brother. I know something more plan.
Fuck.
That's you know. I'm a joyful man. Believe man, I'm a joyful.
Sweet man, bro, man. Skip, yo. I appreciate that, dog.
Yeah, man.
I'm happy to use my platform to share your story, dog.
Thank you so much, brother. I'm say.
That is the team. Use up in triple. Make it look good, team.
Thank you so much.
Use up in triple, my chat. Make it look good, my gang. Make it look good. Make it look good, my team.
Thank you so much.
If you can go give my support, give my support. Make it look good, my team. Even on baby kitten, suck my team. Make it look good.
Thank you so much.
Please, my ladies, make it look good. Use him triple. Use him triple, chat.
Thank you so much, guys.
Use him triple, my team. Use him triple. Thank you, Tommy. Go over there, Tommy. Go over there.
Guys, I appreciate you know.
Tommy, go over there, go help him. Go over there, go help him. Go over there, go help him.
Holy blessing, guys. Holy blessing and love, you know. Guys, honestly,
Go over there, go help him, team.
I
Thank you.
feel, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I feel so
Oh, yeah.
overwhelmed myself. I feel so overwhelmed and happy, brother. God knows. I feel so overwhelmed and happy within myself. Guys, whoa, thank you so
That
much.
is it, my
Holy for love,
boss.
guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Team, wanna
Bro,
go
nah,
over there,
like,
go help him and make it look good. Anything wanna
thank you
have,
so much.
wanna can drop it, man. Go over there, go, wanna not send me nothing, team. Go over there, go help him and make it look good, team. Please.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Any little thing on that, give me another match. Just give me, my ladies,
Thank you
please.
so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Why? I'm not lie, still, you know, it's the first I ever get one support like this from them on TikTok. Yo, at the first.
That is it.
Thank you so much. Why God is good, brother.
That is
Oh,
it,
thank
bro.
you so much.
Go over there, my
Thank you, guys.
team.
Thank you so much.
Lady love, thank you.
I
Go over there, my
appreciate you
team. Go
guys.
help
I
out the G.
appreciate all of you guys. My brother, I
Big
appreciate
up,
you
man.
also, my brother. Yo, I appreciate you and your people and yo.
Big up,
And your
man.
people and your team. Yo, God bless you.
Big up,
Believe.
man, bro. Always.
Yeah, man. And your mother, yo. God bless the woman that bring such a bikini. Believe, man. Yeah, man. God bless the
Respect,
woman
man,
that.
bro, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Go over there, go help the G team. Go over there, go help him.
You see, thank you so much, guys. Guys, I really, really, really appreciate you guys. Guys, honestly, I really appreciate you.
A Jamaican ranking at the pan Ezekiel.
Yeah,
When you go check how much more if you go on the ranking team.
God bless you, guys. God bless. Me, me dey on a daily about 80 something. Me dey on it.
Yeah, the 80 something upon it now.
Yeah, on a daily thing. Alright, brother, I first me reach on that, you know.
I know, man, bro. Yeah, man, you're there 85. We say if we can bring you up to boy in 7. Come in.
Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate
Thank you,
you
my
guys.
ladies. Go over there, go help him, team.
Thank you so much.
We have take time bring him up in our ranking, team. Go over there, go give him support, team. Take time bring him up, little chat. Take time bring him up, little chat. We are big on us some help, team. Take time bring him up, little team. Good night, Rosa. Rosa, beg you some help now, my baby. Me I beg you one baby kit, no, but I know me I beg it for Rosa. Cause Ezekiel, me I beg it for. Me I beg you one baby kit, no, Rosa. But me I beg it for Ezekiel. When you go over there, go help him and give him a push.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Go over there, go help him and give him a push, ladies. Go over there, go help him, here. Alright.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that chance.
Thank you, no, my sister. Me I just a baby kit, me I beg you for him.
Thank you so much.
Yes, what me I say? Thank you, my team. That is it, ladies.
Thanks.
Alright, then. How much are they in the ranking now?
80.
80? Alright, then. I carry up, man. No worry, man, Ezekiel. Me and you power night, yeah.
Thank you, guys. Respect.
Power tap your life, then.
Everybody will support. Thank you so much. God bless you, people.
Little team, man.
Thank you so much.
Power tap your life, then, my team.
Brother, you really have some lovely people up with, bro.
I'm a done them, dog.
Yeah, man, you really have some lovely people up with that youth.
I'm a done them, bro. For as long as me I say I heard them I say, bro. Believe me, bro. And loyal.
Blessed my brother. God bless you, man. It's a blessing to see man come back in safe, you know. Yeah, man. God bless you, man. I'm glad you carry out safe and bring you back safe. It's a blessing tonight.
Clean, you know, man.
Yeah, man. Me there, I give God thanks, man. It's a blessing day, man. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man, guys. Guys, thank you so much. Well, I have 700 people on my live. I never see much people on my live yet.
Bill champion. Rosa.
Whoa.
I see that? You see that?
Get a look lion. Thank you so much.
That is it. Thank you.
Lucy, me get one cat, but in bigger than you. Thank you so much.
Oh, Misha.
Thank you so much,
Misha,
guys.
thank you know.
So much.
Team, let me see when the speed comes.
Everybody, I know, I look at
the speed. Once when the speed comes.
They must have Lucy, me get one cat. Thank you so much, guys. We never see them the big sit there yet, brother.
Pick up yourself, Misha.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys
Big
so
up
much.
yourself. Big up yourself, Rosa. Rosa, big up yourself.
We're there on ranking.
Holy love. How much you there for? Watch your screen, bro. Them a support you. Watch your screen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Whoa,
That
guys,
is
thank you
everything.
so much. I appreciate you guys.
How much you there now, Ezekiel? You're the 54.
I'm 50.
50 you there now.
Thank you so much.
No, you're not the 58, Ezekiel.
No, 47 me there.
Rasclat, a 47 me dog there.
Thank you so much, guys.
That is
Thank you
it.
so much.
Shirley, thanks, you know. Woo!
Woo! Thank you so much.
Woo!
Hey, Father God, thank
That
you.
is
Thank
it.
you, Father. Thank you, Lord. Thank you
That
so
is
much.
it.
Brother, this I first. Yeah, Christmas. A Christmas. A Christmas. A Christmas, yo. Thank you so much, people. I God, I love you, God no.
That is it.
A Christmas. At the first Mercedes.
Power tap your life.
The first Mercedes, man.
Shirley, big up your mommy.
I look on the phone if I'm my phone. Thank you so much. No, for me, I look on the phone if I'm my phone. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I have never get this support before, never in my life.
That is it, man, Ezekiel. Power tap your life.
Thank you so much, man, brother, man. Respect.
Power tap your life. Power tap your life.
God bless you.
Easy
God
now,
bless
man,
you. God bless you, you know.
One vibes, big up, you know.
Eh? Yes, sir. Tell you? Come on, guys, stop at the screen. You're bad man, you know, say you're bad man. You're bad man.
Oh, that!
Come on, guys, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, come on, guys, let's go. Come on, guys. Thank you so much, guys. That name is a blessing. Thank you so much, guys.
That is it, you know, man. Big up on yourself, you know. Come in, Ezekiel.
Thank you so much.
Come in, make a play 2 more with you and give you a small push, my boss.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you, ladies. Everybody. Hold on, don't start it. Don't start. Oh, it started. That help you thank your people.
Thank you so much, guys. Everybody will give us
Thank them in the next
support,
money. Team, we don't use my triple. Go over there, go use up the dog.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Go over there, go use the dog triple chat. Go over there, go use up the dog triple team. Go over there. Authentic sister, go over there, my famous sister. Go over there, go give me a support. Just give him a push, my ladies. Just give him a play this and one next one. We just want it look good. Make it look good, my team. Give him a support, team. Just make it look good, my team. Please. Woo!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. Give him a push, team. Give him a push.
Guys. Get a little cat, man. Thank you, guys. A blessing, man. Yo.
Ezekiel, you're the number 29 in the ranking, Ezekiel.
Blessing, people. Blessing, man.
Come in a top 20 we are going, my boss.
Respect, man. Thank you so much, man. Guys, I get one I wait name there. What you call it? Space, man. Thank you so much, guys.
Bomba, you get an Interstellar.
Yeah, Interstellar.
Yes. Precious, thank you, you know, Precious.
Yeah, you said I'm used to them, I don't know them name, brother.
I know.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys so much.
How much are the Ezekiel? You're the close? Ezekiel, you're the 29, you know?
Yeah, 29, me there last time I see it.
One more of them there, the close.
29.
Power tap your life. When you just catch a speed for the team, just that's it. Just catch a speed, that's it. Alright, catch a speed.
I never see me power screen yet and say 50k on it. Why this a blessing? I have 1k people on my life, brother.
You never see that yet.
Christmas. My bro,
team, go. Use him double team. Go over there, go use him double.
Thank you so much, guys.
Go over there, team. Don't send me no gift team. Go over there, go use him double.
Thank you
Go
so
over
much,
there, go
guys.
use him double.
Guys,
Shoot him up
everybody.
in our ranking. Shoot him up, my ladies. Help me give him a push in our ranking. Push him, my ladies.
Thank you
That
so
is
much, guys.
it. Push him, my ladies. Just
Thank
give
you
him a
so
push.
much.
Just give him a push.
There you go.
Champion will build over your team.
Whoa, get that.
Champion will
Yeah.
build. Give him
Yo,
a push,
I'm gonna come
team.
check him. I get that train. Don't I hear come?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Champion will
Guys,
build,
thank you
team,
so
please.
much.
Anybody will not give him something yet, my ladies, we are beg something for him. That is it, you know. Anybody will not give
Guys,
him
I
something
really
yet, we are
appreciate you
beg
guys.
something for him. Anybody will not
Guys,
give him something yet, we are beg something for him,
I
team.
can't even find a word to express, honestly. Not even a word to express.
That is
Thank you
it.
so much, guys. I appreciate you guys.
Make in
The
a
first
ranking.
support me ever get like this.
Make in a ranking.
Go pan.
Number 20. Number 21,
Yeah,
you're the right side of me, Ezekiel.
21.
Me the
Yeah,
right
21.
there.
Thank you so
Team,
much.
should him pass me. Should him pass me. Give him a galaxy, should him pass me. Should him pass me upon the rank.
In a C3, me the number one in a C3. Yo, I feel like one. I know. Me feel like one TikToker. I feel like one TikToker. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, thank you so much. It's a blessing, my people. Really appreciate this, guys. Guys, everybody, bless me, my people. God bless you, man. Man, God bless you. Whole heap of respect, guys. Whole heap of
Alright
respect.
then. You're the
Whole heap of
83.
love
You
and
need
respect.
17k now, Ezekiel, for their 100k. Alright? You want 17 more k for that for have 100,000 up there. So what you know? We are looked at 17k they feel. Yeah?
Alright?
Alright,
Yeah.
then we are looked at 17k they feel. You see it with the 17k twin for 100,000 team.
Me take off my glasses. Me I look over my phone, brother. Me look over my
Power
phone.
tap live, my team. Power tap live.
Me look over my phone.
Power tap live. With the 17,000 chat on him live for make him reach 100k. We are big on the team. If we can give him a galaxy, if we can give him an anart, if we can give him a money gun, if we can give him a wheel, it will be very appreciative, my ladies. On a wallet, we are make it look good. Next game, power tap live, my ladies. Max, you know, come bless up the people in my youth.
Let's put it on camera. Yeah, man, thank you so much, guys.
I'm here the G there. I'm a brother in Ezekiel.
Bless up,
He
man.
never
Bless
did
up,
it
man.
today, but
Man, brother, man.
I'm a big brother, that is it, man.
Yeah, big brother, that. Bless it.
Yeah, I'm a
bless it,
bigger
man.
brother, man.
What
God,
follow, man.
Max. Yeah.
Ask her, wait. Tell us another day I wait for the thing.
Power tap life, them ladies.
Thank you so much, guys. Guys, thank you so much.
Can't style me. Get it,
Everybody, guys. Holy for respect.
Yeah, the money, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hold on, remember thank you people in fear, Ezekiel.
Guys, me really
Alright, Ezekiel, let me tell you
guys.
how to thank you people them. You see the tree bubble where you look under the bottom?
Yeah.
Press pan it. Press pan the tree bubble them on the bottom. You see the name them come up? See number 1 you have Precious.
Yeah,
Number 2
Precious,
you have
yeah,
Money
Precious.
Tree. Number 3 you have Authentic.
Money
Number 4 is Sasha.
I think bless Sasha, bless upon herself.
Clippings.
Bless upon herself, Chipping.
Sharon. Man
Everybody bless
Demise.
upon herself. Man Demise. And that Isha.
Man Crazy.
And what that? Colleen. Bless upon
Yeah,
herself. Thank you so
everybody
much, guys.
thank you. That is it. So, you are going to look on them when you have blessed them up. So you see who send you the gift and how much gift them send you. You press
Thank you
that.
so much.
You see it? You see when you say
Yeah.
MVP, Precious say MVP, she there number 1. You see what
Yeah,
I
man,
say?
thank you so much, Precious MVP, man.
Yes. So anybody
Well,
where you
better
say
get a
MVP
couple
under
gloves.
them name.
I get a couple gloves.
That is it. I told you.
Thank you so much, guys. Guys,
17k
everybody
you
was
need
fun.
to get 100,000, my boss. Eh? No, my bro. I just don't need it, you know. Go pass a bottle of water for me.
Thank you so much, guys.
Power tap live there, my team. Power tap live there. Power tap live there. Everybody who just joined the live, I beg you some power tap there in the screen there. Please and tap.
Come on, guys.
Power tap live. Power tap live. Team, we can use that triple player. We can use... No. Go over there, go use the triple. Not no, Victorious,
Come
thank
on,
you.
guys.
Go over there, go
Let's
use
go.
the triple team. We
Thank
are
you
look
so much. Thank you
17K
so much for the
fame.
money going, guys. Thank
Yes!
you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, that's up there.
Go!
What is
Bumbo
thank you
class!
so
You get the lion there. Don't ramp with you. Look how much of them on the ranking, Ezekiel. One team I got you.
yo,
One team I
yo,
got you, here.
yo,
Number
thank you so
13.
much. Thank you so
One
much,
team I
people.
got you, here, Ezekiel.
Thank
That is
you so
it.
much. Bless up for yourself,
Walk
Steve.
out and reach here, man.
Yo,
Make
people,
you
mind
walk
me
out
jump out that chair. Serious, I first
That
see
is
that.
it, man. One
At the
team I
first,
got
see
you.
that. Why people, me say we
Number
can't
12 on the
open that, man.
ranking.
If I
From
see we
never
can't
up on the
open that,
ranking before. We build champions.
thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
We build champions.
Yo,
Oh, yeah, they are
that's right.
130K on the ranking now, Ezekiel.
Yeah. Yo, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, everybody was support. Guys, people, honestly, yo, you know, make my heart feel cool. Like my heart move. Yo, thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Really. Guys, catch your speed for me, please. What I
Team
said,
want 2 and not to catch a speed.
Oh, 2 and a half. Yeah, 2 and a half, guys. 2 and a half. Come on, guys, let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you guys. I'm the number 12 on daily rank. What a Peter Sassi. I'm not gonna listen to that.
God is the great.
Thank you so much.
Catch it, you can make it 2 and not team.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you. Yo, my brother, I tell you, man, whole heap of love and respect to you, brother. Yo, I tell you, say, God, I bless you about that, my brother. Brother. Right on the feel like that, man. Thank you so much, guys.
And the Lord is around
Whole heap of
us.
respect to you.
The blessings around us. We don't care who like me.
Thank you so much, guys.
And the Lord is around us. And the blessings around us. We don't care who like me. We just want to show love.
Thank you so much, guys.
Where me come from?
Brother, for the man,
What a journey.
right now, I want Akeam, I never two. One.
See us at your feet.
Bless yourself, my brother.
Where me come from? Life has meaning. Just a tune keep on
Oh, what a feel team.
So see it
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you, guys. Really appreciate the people, them. Brother, I feel good today. Good tonight. Brother, I'm not late tomorrow. I'm wake up early, man. Thank you so much. Holy for love, man.
Blessings around us.
Holy for love, guys.
Oh, where me come from?
Why?
What a journey. Good thing that got me. See it and you feel. Where me come from? See it and you feel.
Just a tune keep on believing. Well today
Thank you so much, man.
Give thanks to life.
Thank you so much.
Praises to the Lord, to see if I'm sanctified. Now make them stress me. Be a whole of vibes. With Red Bull, VJ, I'm moving before the fight.
Let us support,
Some
guys.
cry, some fight, some fight every day. We rise to the top, that is it. Spice Junkie!
Holy for love, guys. Holy for love.
Thank
you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Chat! No matter how the beggar might stack up, we still not change. That is it, Ezekiel. We
Holy for blessing, man. Holy for love, brother. Holy for love.
What thank you people, man? Me not ready for more.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. Spice Jackie, thank you so much for anything. Precious, bless up yourself. Just so blessed. Bless up on yourself, man. Morgan, bless up on yourself. Bless up yourself. Everybody
No
bless up
exit that, bro. Make it done.
Bless up yourself. Martins, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. Miranda, bless up yourself. Winner, bless up yourself. Honor you guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Holy for love and respect. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Big up to the MVPs. Spice Jackie, bless up yourself. Respect guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, people. God bless you. Guys, I'm not happy. Honestly, I'm not happy. I'm not lie.
Ezekiel, nothing there.
Yo, I'm not happy, brother. I'm not happy, brother. In a real life. You see, guys.
Have faith in God. We don't know about man. A long time them a try bring me down, and I just know from a very young. Jack me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watching on the telly now. We put up a fight. Got to be ready.
God.
I said don't you worry.
Love you so much, man.
We got to be ready. Yeah, man, my boss, man. That play last one here, bro. I play last one, my dog.
Yeah,
That
brother.
is it, man, my team.
Right.
We don't die. We don't die.
Come on, guys, stop the screen.
Férias inesquecíveis só com a Amarante.
Let's go support him, man.
Resorts mais premiados
Let's go
do
support him.
Brasil.
We're gonna play last one.
God bless you. My brother, may I tell you, man, God bless you, man, 1,000-fold, my brother.
That is it, man, my bro, man.
God bless you, bro.
Easy now, man. Big up yourself.
There is a true and living God, man. Believe. There is a true and living God named Jesus Christ of Nazareth, brother. God bless you.
Brawling, man, my boss, man. Big up yourself, man.
Thank you so much, guys. Guys, thank you so much.
You need some moderator, man, my G.
Yeah, more some moderator, yeah. We need to have a moderator. You know? Thank you so much, guys. Hey, blessing. I like how much sub you need.
Eh?
I like how much sub you need, moderator.
Can get 1 or 2, man, bro, man.
Okay, 1 or 2, alright.
Yeah,
man. Whole heap of love, man, Akeam, man.
That is it, my bro. Team, him need 9 rows. 9 rows, him need 9 rows.
Come on, guys, thank you so much.
Yo, fall our rise.
Guys,
Fighting for our life. All our choices, not right now. We
target reach.
We can call it sacrifice. Man just want to see mama nice. One go up to the kids, them in the ghetto. Life, love, fucking paradise. Man with a love, I carry me drive. Yo, the shoes, they're not my size. I don't have shoes, that's how we do it now, watch it. But we still have to survive. JPS just got the light up. We don't know what time of the pipe. Make me you channel right up. Life just happens. Show my mind.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's the station.
Thank you, guys.
It's the station.
Thank you so much.
I'm safe for my life whenever we go to the rough days.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
It's
guys.
still stay strong. Still stay strong.
Thank you so much, guys. Guys, we really appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. God bless you.
Big boy up for that chain, some used to it. Remove my beats, I'm out to get them. I out for rich. Another night we got the food, Max used to this. I'm here fight, I'm here lose, but me not new to this moment. When I couldn't find the money, cool with it, swear to God, me must buy a house. Stop pulling it. Try if you're not busy, give me a few minutes. Protect it, but me have to move with it. I want to burn me the bar, I'm going smooth in it. But for them gone and the master, we grab them so dig it. More time we couldn't find lunch money. We not no sure when school finish, we still stay strong. Still stay strong. I'm still for my life, but never we out for the rough day side. We still stay strong. Still stay strong. I still for my life, but never we out for the rough day side.
Bless you, my life.
We still stay strong. Still stay strong. I'm certain for my life whenever we go for the rough days. We still stay strong. Still stay strong. I'm certain for my life whenever we go for the rough days.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much.
That is it, my team. That is it.
I really guys.
That is it, my ladies. That is it. I appreciate you, Nino, man, team.
Hey, no, master. Hey, just no,
Appreciate you, man, for big up on yourself for that, man. How far, all them a go that me no hungry before. All them a go that me no stumble before. You have to make it when you come to the door. Crips in a summer, none from me a poor. All them a go like say me born in the riches. All them go and a sleep on the floor. But I'm a what up your life, Jack?
me no go. None of them now on the post to them switching. The family girl them bought me before. But I feel like the place where me bad up. I started before. And even when we roll into the party, I feel bring that gun to the shore. Them would have loved to see up on the asphalt. So I feel up
yo, bro. Only a blessing to you.
We asked the brother.
To your family.
We even know this.
Big up yourself, bro.
Man. Girls is so blessed. Bless up yourself, man. Mongi G, bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Sexy City, bless up yourself. At Kerry, bless up yourself. Victory is mine, bless up yourself. Man Damage, OHA, Unique, bless up yourself. Karen, bless up yourself. Man Crazy, bless up on yourself. Whole heap of love and respect. Really appreciate your guys. When you make me day, when you make me night, when you make all my morning to tomorrow. They're so. Brother, I don't know, there's so much, yo, I feel real joyful. Yeah, blessing, brother. I feel real joyful, you know.
That is it.
It's a blessing, bro. This is truly a blessing, you see me? I really appreciate it.
You're a legend, man, my dog, man. Big up yourself, man, my bro, man.
Yeah, man, bless you, man.
God bless you. God bless your family, them, bro. You see me as a charge.
Yeah, man, stay as you, brother. God bless you and bless your family.
Continue to stay strong, you see?
Yeah, for real.
That is it. Bless up.
Blessing, man. People, thank you so much.
That is it. Team, pick up on yourself, you know.
Leave me alone with my glass. Oh, someone a go like them, no one get on me to the data box. Look how much of them on me head. Look how much of them are in my style, and they do say by me a flash. Me not really worry about the chance. Me don't worry about some little man who
some red out in I chat the team.
Don't get my capacity. Always create moments we never living at the past. From little me a say it and you get in me a feel for impact. Same thing so we get the youth in them a precedent that the thing shot. Enough man get the chance and not spend it and don't believe in that. Man a free foundation, you blood for lot. When the thing shot it a impact. From little me a say everything and I say me a feel for impact. Same thing so many where me go and me a say me never feel say I impact. Enough man get the chance and drop spend it and don't believe in that. If they say man a turn we go up on up. When the thing shot it a impact. And then you see a chat them and nobody. Years we are taking to them body. Remember this with a
Forward up the light, yeah.
no the jacket and the glasses and the ballet. Can't get we out and then we in already, sorry. We the over just so we know in and everybody. Can't say the world that I too much to be carried. So stick like royalty and keep it not the family.
Come here, Max.
Can't get we out and then we in already, sorry. We the over just so we know in and everybody. Can't say the world
Yes,
that
Max.
too much to be carried.
So we think like royalty and keeping that family. When them see it at the time, them a waste. Come I know them see it, so we there some still. Time and time, them try to fight with them bad mind, but we never stop climb and climb.
What's up, brother? How are you? Are you busy right now, brother? Are you busy?
What's up?
Good. How are you, man?
I'm here, bro.
Sounds good, Lauren. Listen, can we do?
What?
What are you
Eduardo.
doing, bro?
Huh?
You're playing him. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna play. I have a series with him, Eduardo.
Okay,
So
okay, I
after
got you.
him,
Okay, do your thing. I got you.
okay, bro, no problem. What's up, small boy?
That guy's blocked.
From you?
Yes.
Why? You just go around having beef with people, man?
No. He beefed with me.
He's a good guy, bro. He's
Just
cool.
on the screen.
Oh, you know him.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
No, if you ever see me request and he's there, don't request me or don't accept. Don't. You understand?
Okay, bro, no problem. I never know, bro. I never know.
Yeah, I know you didn't. That's why I didn't say nothing. I'm just saying for next time, if he's with you, and I request you, don't accept me or just tell, or just disconnect with him and then connect with me.
Okay, bro, no problem. I got
Okay.
you. Yeah, man, no problem.
Oh boy.
Bro, you don't got any score. I beat you like 1,000,000 times, bro. Aren't you tired? Bro, like, for the 1,000,000th time. Are you tired, bro? Like, you just come over here, you continue to make a clown out of yourself. We continuously beating you. And then, when we beat you, you cry like a little baby you are, and jump. Well, we enjoy that, but come on. Give us at least a minute to laugh.
Anything else?
Can we get a minute to laugh at your squad, please? When
This
we
game hasn't started yet. I'm not sure what you're
Okay,
laughing.
bro. When I win, can I have a minute to laugh at your squad, please?
اگه فالو نکردی فالو کن تپ کن داداش دمت گرم. Laugh at what, bro? The game hasn't even started. What are you talking about, bro? We always
I asked you a question. Can I just a simple
Okay, ask me a question. What is your question?
I just want, can I have a minute? It's just a simple request.
I have a minute to do what?
Like to laugh at your team when I win. Don't jump. Just give me some time.
Well,
to
don't
enjoy
jump, bro.
myself.
Don't jump.
Okay, bro. So can I have the minute when I win?
No problem. Win a game then talk shit.
Okay, bro. No problem. First to three or best out of three?
First to 3 wins. Who has gloves in here? This guy talk too much. Who has gloves in here? Who has gloves in here, guys? Double tap share repost. Who has gloves in here?
Give me a big one, a small recharge, please.
Who has gloves in here? Jackie got one. Who else? Who else has a glove in here?
Team, we have gloves. We have gloves, ladies. We have gloves. We have gloves, my ladies.
If you haven't sent a heart me, guys, send a heart me. Nobody else has a glove. Jackie and the Scorpio, that's it. RJ, welcome. All right, bro, let's go. Let's go. The number 43, y'all. Let's see how far we can move up in his ranks. Let's see how far we can move up in his ranks. Pick one, give triple, huh? Keep tapping. More people who join the chat, just keep tapping.
First triple, my team. First triple.
Kitty, Jackie.
First triple.
Pick one, give triple.
Go, my team. First triple. Marshall, thank you, team. Okay, I love
Huh?
Go up on the first triple.
Enigma!
Go up on the first triple.
Guys, go triple. Play together. Enigma!
Go, my team.
Everyone pick one, give triple.
Over there. Snipe.
Everyone pick one, give triple.
Snipe.
Share the love, bro. Share the love. Share. Enigma, thank you, Enigma. Everybody spam the Enigma emote real quick. Spam the Enigma emote. Spam the Enigma emote. I don't want to keep saying the same thing, bro. Just go do it. Enigma. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. It brings more people in the chat. Keep going.
Hands always stretch what you got. Give me your best and I won't turn it down. Cause you're always out to impress.
Keep going. Keep tapping. Keep going. Keep tapping.
This is the highlight. Nothing dragging us through the doors. This is the best time to be young, old or reborn. Live like we're gonna die. Do things we never done before. This is the highlight.
Tap.
Team have a locked in on my team. Me the over him chat right now. I look. So any sniping me dig my go on with over there. I say if me can catch it. Is what me I say. Any snipe them go on with over there. I say if me can catch it. Who have gloves over here? Don't drop it, you know. Who have the gloves over here? Enigma just join. Who have the gloves over here, my team? Who have the gloves over here? See, Cloud. Who have the gloves over here? 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 Bro, be a 40 body over man life, you know. Alright, authentic. Drop that in a 30 second. Yes, what I say, drop that in a 30 second. Power tap your life, team, power tap your life. Power tap your life, my team, power tap your life, my team, power tap your life. Power tap your life, team, we can spam roses. You can spam roses. You can spam roses. Roses and donuts me mean, donuts me mean team. Sorry about that, donuts me mean team. Thank you, Natasha, thank you, man, demise. Donuts me team. Donuts me team, donuts. Donuts me team, alright. Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves, team? Kells, big up, you know. Forward up your life, the team. Donuts. Team, I'm lead, you know. I'm lead. Alright, team. Big on our gloves now. 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 Big on your gloves now. Big on your gloves now. Alright then. Go. Go. Me I watch him, team. Go. Go, my team. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. From me, thank you. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. Galaxy Enigma send him. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. None of them no catch your gloves. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. Go upon the gloves. Go. Them a catch your gloves. Them a catch your gloves. Them a catch him gloves. Go. Them catch him gloves. Shit. Him win.
5-star Enigma. Oh my God.
Thank you for love, you know. I'm
5-star Enigma.
My skills. Dana. Man says,
5-star MVP in the chat. Say 5-star MVP in the chat.
Chat.
Enigma MVP in the chat. Use Enigma's emote. Sassy, Deanna, Jackie, Kitty, Texas, get guys in the speed challenge, okay? In the speed challenge, play together. Pick one big gift triple Then we play the speed. Let's play as a team. Let's get podium popular. Let's play as a team and get podium popular. Enigma, thank you so much. 5-star Dynasty, thank you. 1-0.
Triple.
Guys, everyone pick one, give triple, okay? Everyone pick one, give triple. Keep tapping. Enigma.
Use the triple.
It's okay. Just tap. Counter welcome.
Use the triple.
Everyone pick one, give triple.
Use the triple.
Guys, pick one, give triple.
Shirley, thank you.
Diana.
Use the triple.
Guys, pick one, give the triple.
Go deep for the triple. Go.
Guys, pick one, give triple. Sassy. Everyone together.
Oh, shit. You get a lion. On get a Zeus. Thank you.
5-star with the freaking Zeus. Oh my God. Can I sit there for a minute and laugh at your score? Can I do that? 5-star! Tell your weak ass into play. Come on. Come to Papa.
Roses, team. Roses.
Yeah, you need roses. You need a lot of roses.
Roses, team. Roses on top.
5-star, Sassy, Diana, Jackie, Kitty, Marisol. Guys, tap my nose. Everyone tap my nose. Freaking Zeus, bro. Holy moly. You're 39 now. Let's go, man. We're 39. Everyone tap my nose, guys. Everyone tap my nose. Somebody use a glove in the last 25. Somebody use a glove in the last 25. Whether it's 5-star or Sassy or Kitty. I don't know who has it. Sassy has it and Scorpio. Sassy, use your glove in the last 25.
We have gloves.
We all snipe at the end. Enigma, thank you so much.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know.
P-back! If I send others, can play in the glove so it's faster than the last 30? I don't understand. 5-star P-back! P-back!
الله بقلق بطبيلي يلي خاطفني يا ريت تقولي
5-star, I didn't understand what you said. I threw a glove last 30. Oh, you have a glove. You have a glove, bro. You want to use your glove? Okay. Where's this one? Sassy, don't use your glove. 5-star. 5-star Dynasty. Use your glove in the last 25 seconds. In the last 25. Be back! Be back! I see now. I don't have glove. It's okay. Sassy, use your glove in the last 25. Sassy, use your glove in the last 25. Trisha, welcome. Everybody tap my nose, man. Tap my nose. Share a live repost. Share. Be back. Man, that's... Maddie, guys, watch the snipe, and these people snipe all the time.
Go.
5-star.
Go. Lion can't connect him right now. No.
Maddie, thank you so much.
Bro.
Woo! We got 3 gloves. We got 3 gloves. 5-star Dynasty didn't get anything. Are you here still in the chat, 5-star? Maddie with 2 gloves.
Sexy Changi.
Beautiful. Sassy with a glove. Enemies.
Man crazy.
Kitty, Diana, Jackie, Marisol.
Team,
5-star, thank you so much. 5-star, thank you so much, bro. With freaking Zeus. Small boy, bro. Why you come in here and say you want to play? Let's sit here and look at your score and laugh at your score for 1 minute. Look, I've never seen a guy. I have never seen a guy that cries, but with only one eye. Your right eye, you're crying. The other one is fine. It's like you're half crying. It's okay. I'll make the other eye cry too. No worries.
If you make my team recharge, you're dead.
Huh?
You know how I play, bro.
Okay, play. Tell your people to recharge. Go ahead, recharge.
Team, can I? Team. Yeah, big man, small recharger, please. You see, team, I big man, small recharger. A boy, I get bright on face, you know. Boy, I get bright on face, you. Ready? We ready? Only triple we are gonna get, team. I only triple we are get. We not get no next triple. I only triple we are gonna get. We can go up on it. I only triple we are gonna get, team. We not get no next triple, team. We can go up on it, team. I only triple we are gonna get. We not get no next triple, team. We can go up on it. 6 piece of nuggets to a team. I only triple we are gonna get, team. We not get no next triple. We can go up on it. Car just thank you. Team, we can go up on that triple. We can go up on that triple, team. We can go up on that triple. Money G, whole heap of love in a team. We can go big on that triple, team. Why? Sexy Changi, thank you. Team, we can't snipe that triple. We can't snipe that triple. We can't snipe that triple, team. Man, snipe, man. Snipe! Why not snipe it? Pour it up your life, my team. You have gloves? We have gloves. I'm gonna go snipe you, man. Come and watch the chat team. It's like everybody I watch everybody for. Oh, I go snipe that triple a while ago. And that did go on a while ago. That I go on over my life team. Pour it up your life, my team. Pour it up your life, my team. Pour it up your life. Pour it up your life, my team. Pour it up your life, my ladies. Pour it up your life. Team, we have gloves. We have our gloves, team. We have our gloves. We have our glove, team. Power up your life, my team. Power up your life.
Was brighter than tomorrow. If you try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place, feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space.
Power up your life, my team. Team, we have no gloves. We have no gloves, team. We have no gloves. We have no gloves, team. We have no gloves. We can big on a snipe. We not a snipe. We not have a snipe, team. We not have a snipe. God's child, thank you. We not have a small snipe, team. We not have a snipe. We not have a snipe. Snipe. We not have a small snipe. Hear him, hear him.
There we go. Berlin, welcome Berlin. 3 gloves. They're in the Berlin. Teresa, beautiful snipe. Ella, sassy. Guys, keep tapping. Follow the people at the top. If you haven't followed this account, follow this account. They're in the Berlin. Teresa, Ella, Sassy, Janice, Texas, Garrett, Kitty, Blink, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Guys, if you haven't sent a heart me, man. They're in the Berlin. Teresa, thank you so much. Small boy.
I'm gonna catch you back, bro. This is small score, bro.
It's okay. Your score is small, yes. 3-0.
Thank you, my ladies.
3-0,
I
bro.
appreciate you.
3-0. Berlin, Janice, Narinda, thank you so much. 3-0, small boy.
Boy, team. Holy heap of love, man, my team. Really appreciate you, no chat. Thank you, my team. Everybody will come out, can show the support to me. Thank you. As well, may I say, this mean a lot to my team. You see, if you want to do for me since night, I want to go over there, go show the G's on support. Nothing else not beat that but God, man. As well, may I say, big up on yourself and holy heap of love for the strength and unity. We'll come together and we'll display upon the life. Thanks and thanks again. We give somebody a chance, I will give them a push in their life. Team, I love you. Tomorrow again, here. Love. Mwah. Love you, my ladies.